Hey guys, today I want to show you an inexpensive way to store your dies. So I have recently started collecting quite a few stamps and dies, and I've had them kind of like sitting in the Lawn Fawn packages. That's my main brand, but I really was trying to think about a way to store them. And to my surprise, most of the ways to store them that you can get from your local stores are pretty expensive. So I decided to check out ways to do my own. So I wanted to share that with you. So here's what it ends up looking like in my little package here. But I'm going to show you what I have done. So I went ahead and found these magnetic vent covers. See if you can see those. They're pretty big. They're 8 by 15 inches sheets, and I want them to be 5 by 7. So out of these 8 by 15 sheets, I can make 3 from one sheet, and they come in packs of 3. So from one pack, I'm actually going to be able to make 9 die holder mats, let's call them. And I'm in Canada, so this package is about $8.99, $9. So really, for like $1 each, I'm going to be making these little mats to store my dies. So just want to share that with you. This is really available in all hardware stores. I got mine at Home Hardware, but Home Depot had them, and Lowe's carries them as well. So go ahead. They're very bendy and flexible. So this is what they look like. They're white on the back and black on one side, and you can fold them right in half. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing with them. So I've gone ahead and I actually cut them down into 5 by 7 inches. And so what I'm using is these magnetic pads, and then I went ahead and backed it with a piece of heavier cardstock just to give it a little bit more weight. You don't have to, but I really liked doing that. And then finally, to store, I have these little Avery Elle envelopes, and they're just exactly the perfect size for storage. So it fits right in there. You can actually make it, I guess you can cut them a little bit bigger. I did the 5 by 7 because it lets me get 3 out of each sheet, and it does fit nicely. But if you wanted to add about 1/2 inch to the width, you probably could. But let me just put one together for you and just show you how it all comes together. But I was super thrilled with this. It was really a very cost-effective way for me to store my dies, and they just stack really nicely in a little container box. So I just put glue all over the back of this cardstock, and this is just like 110-pound cardstock. Okay, and I'm just gonna make sure that that's nicely stuck on there. And then I have my stamps and my coordinating dies. So I haven't taken these apart yet, so I'm just going to put those right on there. And you can see that's actually pretty sturdy. Yes, the Lawn Fawn magnetic pads are much thicker. I think they have cardboard backing. So this is still bendy, but I like that. I don't want it to take up too much space, and it definitely does the job. So my magnets stick to that. And then I'm going to just put my dies, my stamps on the back side, and then just go ahead and slide that into my little envelope here. And just tuck that in, and there you have it. So the only thing left to do really is to create some little labels for the top, and I store these standing up in a little box. So I hope you enjoyed that little quick trick of how to store your magnets, your dies and your stamps together in kind of a cheap and cheerful way using magnetic vent covers. Thanks guys, hope you have an awesome day. Bye-bye.